I'm going to show you an example of what it looks like here on my screen here. So what you can see on the one side where it says the Facebook ad, that's what an example of what the ad looks like. In this case, I decided to use and market the Move Up Home Buyer Program as my example of the offer that's being made in this advertisement. When they tap on the Learn More button, the lead form pops up. So in this type of advertisement unit, we actually have to create two separate components. We have to create the ad, but we also have to create the lead form. And I'm going to show you how to do that today. So once the nice thing about the lead form is that it removes tapping and typing. So when they tap on the Learn More button, which is right here, and then this screen pops up, it's going to pre-populate their email and their name and whatever requested fields that Facebook can pull in based on their profile. So it just makes it easier for somebody so they don't have to do anything other than tap on the submit button. When they do, that it takes them to a thank you page. And at that point, Facebook has a number of different options in terms of what happens to that lead, but ultimately we get a notification letting know that that person had filled out the form, and then this person sees this thank you page. And there's a few different options you have as well. In this case, what I've done is just made it to where once they fill out the lead form, we say thank you, keep an eye on your inbox. I'm going to send you some more details soon, and then check out our website. And there's a view website button there.